Have you ever had your check engine light pop on and instantly thought, "Great, how much is this going to cost me?" What if I told you there's a small tool that lets you see exactly what's going on with your car without rushing to the mechanic? That's where the OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner comes in. Today, I'm breaking down what makes this scanner stand out, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth adding to your toolbox. Stick around, because this one could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands on car repairs. So what is the OBDLink MX Plus? In simple terms, it's a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that works with your iPhone, Android, or even Windows device. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, pair it with your phone, and suddenly you've got access to the same kind of data professional mechanics use. Here are some of the standout features. Wide compatibility. It works on all cars and light trucks sold in the US since 1996, covering OBD2, OBD, and even many advanced manufacturer-specific protocols. Deep diagnostics. Beyond just reading and clearing check engine light codes, it can display live engine data, ABS, SRS, TPMS, transmission codes, and more, something most cheap scanners don't do. Default text smartphone integration connects seamlessly with apps like OBDLink's own app Torque, Car Scanner, Dash Command, and more. Speed and stability. It's one of the fastest Bluetooth OBD2 adapters on the market, meaning live data streams smoothly without lag. Security. Built-in overvoltage and hacker-proof features keep both your car and your data safe. Designed compact, low profile, and it won't drain your car's battery if you leave it plugged in. Now let's talk real-world use, the pros and cons. Easy setup with iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Professional-level features at a consumer-friendly price. Works with a wide variety of apps, giving you flexibility. Fast and reliable data transfer, no annoying lag. Safe to leave plugged in thanks to battery drain protection. It's more expensive than basic code readers, so casual users may not need all the extra features. Some of the advanced functions depend on the app you use, which may require additional purchases. If you just want to read and clear a check engine light quickly, this might be overkill. Here's my take. The OBDLink MX Plus isn't just another OBD2 scanner, it's more like a professional tool shrunk down for everyday car owners. If you're a DIY mechanic, car enthusiast, or someone who wants to monitor their car's health like a pro, this scanner is 100% worth it. On the other hand, if all you need is the occasional check engine light reset, you can probably save money with a simpler scanner. But for those who want power, flexibility, and peace of mind, the OBDLink MX Plus delivers. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely, for anyone who's serious about taking control of their car's health. If you're ready to grab one, I've dropped a link down in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair for more smart car tips, and tap the bell so you never miss a video that could save you money on repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.